Good day, learners! I am Miss Faye Andinglasan from Andres Aynoca National High School, SDO City of General Trias. Welcome to Quarter 4, Week 1 of Health Education, Grade 7. Here are our MELCs for today based on Pivot Bao. Discusses the nature of non-communicable diseases. Prerequisite to MELC 29. For your task for this week, you will first, identify the two types of diseases. Second, characterize non-communicable diseases. And lastly, work on the assessment, evaluation, and reflection tasks. On our previous lessons, you have learned about mental health. Today, let us focus more on understanding diseases for us to attain holistic health. This lesson will focus on identifying the nature of non-communicable diseases. Identifying the nature of non-communicable diseases is one of the significant steps to attain holistic health. Are you ready? Let's begin! First, what is a disease? What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word disease? Disease is an abnormal condition affecting a living organism. Diseases are often known to be medical conditions that are associated with specific signs and symptoms. It may be caused by external factors, such as pathogens, or by internal dysfunctions. Diseases may be caused by external factors such as pathogens, or by internal dysfunctions. Then you know that there are two categories of diseases. These are the communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Communicable disease. The communicable diseases are caused by the pathogens or disease-causing organisms and can be transmitted from one person to another or from animals to people. Non-communicable disease. Non-communicable diseases are diseases that cannot be transmitted from one person to another. These diseases are not caused by pathogens or disease-causing organisms such as bacteria or viruses. So, what are the causes of non-communicable diseases? First, poor lifestyle, such as poor diet, smoking, consumption of alcohol, or physical inactivity. Second, hereditary or congenital, typically caused by heredity or by the conditions with which they are born. Third, environment. It includes outdoor and indoor air pollution, as well as secondhand tobacco smoke, exposure to chemicals, radiation, noise, and occupational risks. Fourth, stress. Long-term stress is one of the most determinants of lifetime health and increases the risk of chronic non-communicable diseases. Again, there are two main categories of diseases: the communicable disease and the non-communicable disease. We can prevent this type of diseases by avoiding the said causes and through practicing healthy habits. Let's take a look at our learner's task. Here is an example of a student answering the learning task, reflect, write, and share, and the activity, similarities and differences of NCDs and CDs.
Good day everyone, I am Maria Salinas, a student of Andres Aynoca National High School from the SDO of General Trias City. Today, I will accomplish two activities for Lesson 1 of Health 7, Quarter 4. For the first activity, reflect, write, and share. Using a graphic organizer, I will write down words or phrases which can be associated with non-communicable diseases and explain them in Let us start. Here are the words which can be connected with non-communicable diseases. First, unlike communicable diseases, NCDs cannot be transmitted from one person to another. Second, alcohol and cigarette abuse. Alcohol and cigarette abuse can be caused different non-communicable diseases. Then, cardiovascular disease. It is the most common non-communicable disease. Another one is cancer. This is the second to the most common non-communicable disease that can cause death. And the last one will be unhealthy lifestyle. Unhealthy lifestyle is one of the main causes of non-communicable disease. Now let's proceed to our second. In this activity, we will focus more on the nature of communicable and non-communicable disease. Out of the similarities and differences of the two diseases, this is the For their differences, communicable diseases are diseases that can be spread from one person to another. Non-communicable diseases are diseases that a person usually gets from poor lifestyle, genes, environment, smoking, alcohol abuse, etc. Lastly, communicable diseases are equally infectious, unlike non-communicable diseases which are not infectious. For their similarity, communicable and non-communicable diseases are both diseases that we need to prevent because it can cause different harmful effects to our body.
For our episode next week, we will explore more about the common non-communicable diseases. It will be another exciting lesson to learn for health education. Thank you for connecting with us at Pivot Gabay, your quick guide to learning, only here at Pivot TV. See you next time. Happy learning!